The port side deck is just as bad as the starboard. These holes they put for the fuel lines, completely rotted, saturated. Same thing with these, what I would call blocking for the center console. Just a mess. I'm gonna stick my finger down the center of that one. There's a lot of rot like that I found so far. And there's just water sitting on top of this foam. But same thing, different. See how much comes out. Pretty good bit. There'll probably be a puddle back here after I'm done ripping this stuff out. But this smells like gas too, a little bit. With the fuel filler being on that side, I guess. Boat's going to stay outside tonight while this airs out. Normally, I fill up a bunch of garbage cans, let them air out, but they're all full. And I'm not going to work that long day anyway. But puddle of water seeped out as I was working. I'll work on that gun on next. I'm wondering if the dark stains are from mixed gas. This isn't really a good shot. We'll get into that after I clean out the rest of this foam.